up her mind. She'll see I'm not so tough just because I'm in love with an uptown girl. You know I can't afford to buy her pearls, but maybe someday when my ship comes in, she'll understand what kind of guy I've been, and then I'll win. And when she's walking, she's looking so fine, and when she's talking, she'll say that she's mine. She'll say I'm not so tough just because I'm in love with an uptown girl. She's been living in her white bread world as long as anyone with hot blood can, and now she's looking for a downtown man. That's what I am. Uptown girl, she's my uptown girl. You know I'm in love with an uptown girl, my uptown girl. You know